Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So, if you read from the title today, we are going to be unboxing $15 subscriptions. So, we have the ALLURE beauty box and we have the Glitz Glam Box. These are two of my favorite subscriptions that are lower in price. So, if you want to see what we got in the March 2020 boxes or bags, then just stay tuned. All right, so let's open up the ALLURE. Usually, I always open up the Glitz Glam Box first. It's called Glitz Glam Box. It used to come in a box, but now they've been coming in a bag. I guess it's cheaper to ship, so it feels funny saying Glitz Glam Box, Glitz Glam Bag. I don't know. So usually I do Glitz Glam Box, the ALLURE, and Macy's together because Macy's is another $15 subscription. I do like that box, but I was getting so much. I had to let a few go because they were just going to waste, you know. They're like little samples. But I cannot get rid of my ALLURE. I cannot. So let's see what we got in here. I haven't even cut the plastic off. All right. So this is the box right there. And then here is a little pamphlet that you get that tells you what everything is in here and gives you what the prices will be to the full size items. And then that's what it looks like. All right. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. Now this is a little different because I thought there was something else that we were supposed to get and I didn't get it. So maybe that was a variation. I don't know. But, and I'll tell you about that afterwards. All right, so the first thing I got is from Floss. This comes in a lot of the Ipsy. So I have tried this before and I do like it. This is in Lax or Lakes. Let's see, I think it's a lip gloss. Yes, right here. And when I've been getting any lip products, I do put them aside for future giveaways because I have so many, but I love lip gloss. So let's see how much this is. I don't remember. All right, yeah, so it's a gloss in the shade Lax, L-A-X, and it retails for $16. And it has a doe foot applicator right there, and that's the shade. Very, very pretty. I'm really excited to get this. Because like I said, I got this in an Ipsy before, so I do like the formula. All right, so we got that. The next thing is Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the shade 0. So this is in black. And I've got that. I actually got like a blue one in my Macy's, and I actually really, really love it. Retail price would be $22. Of course, this is a sample and it's very creamy. And I'm not mad at getting this because of the formula. And I usually use these on my waterlines. But I wish they would put more than just black. Like I wish they put maybe purple or green or even another blue one. Because every subscription we're always getting black eyeliner. But I'm glad to get that because of the formula. All right. The next thing we got is from Momade. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is a serum. And there is a pump right there. And full size would be $40. Okay, what is this? What you be? What you be? This is from South Korea. And you just slap, okay, so it's for your whole face. I didn't know if it was like an eye serum or not. So definitely excited for that. The next thing is from LM, Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So it's a cream, and I love the smell of lemon. So I'm not knocking on that either. Full size would be $14.90. So let's see if I can get it open. So this is full size. All right, let's smell. I hope it smells like lemon. It has a safety seal on. But I'm going to take that puppy off and smell it. Oh, I smell a little lemon, so it's yellow. Oh, it does smell like lemon. And because it's like a butter, like it's very thick. And this is going, oh my God, I can smell it. This smells like those Yankee like lemon candles. Oh my God, I love this. All right, so I'm definitely excited for this. Love it. All right, Two more things. The next thing we got is from Rodial. This is a mascara. And I don't remember, this sounds familiar, but I can't remember it offhand. This is $28, so it's full size. And last but not least is this hyaluronic moisturizing sheet mask. Yes, yes, and yes. So let's see how much that puppy is. So it's $3. Now, I'm not seeing what you could have got on there, so maybe I'm wrong, or maybe it's for next month, but I remember it's supposed to be like an O for a highlighter. Maybe that's for next month then. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. So let's recap what we got for $15. This is why I love Allure. So we have a sheet mask. We have serum for your face. Oh my God. I love this. Lemon butter, like body butter, you know. Love that. We have a mascara. You could always use a mascara. We have a black eyeliner. Normally I would be upset, but I'm glad to get a gel one instead of a liquid eyeliner. And I don't like the fact that it's in black, but because this formula is so good and it stays on your waterline, I'm not hating on it. And it's a small one, so we got that. And then we have from Floss, we have a lip gloss, which I love. And that's definitely worth your $15, guys. I mean, the mascara alone was 20-something. That's why I cannot give up Allure. I probably will never give up Allure. All right, moving on to the Glitz Glam Box, which again is $15. One thing I do like about this subscription is usually every month you can customize it. So there were 3 different like eyeshadows you could have got. And I'll show you when I get there. And I did pick out one. I forget which one it was until I see it. Sometimes, like if there's different, let me try that again. If there are different eyeshadow palettes, you can choose which one you want. The same thing with lipsticks. And also what I like, let's say there's 2 different eyeshadow palettes. You can pick the one that you want, but then you can also go on the site and pay to get the other one. So that's good too. The way that I cut this, let me get this out. Anything else? No. All right, so it says right here, Glitz Glam Box, Glitz Glam Box. All right, say that 3 times. Glitz Glam Box, Glitz Glam Box, Glitz Glam Box. Comment down below if you did it with me. All right, so right here tells you what everything is and gives you prices. All right. I don't remember. You could have got the Team Peacock, the Team Cheetah, or the Team Zebra. I think I got the Peacock one, I believe. So it comes up very nicely wrapped all the time. All right. This is too funny. I just unboxed a set of these lashes in the blue base cosmetics. So my daughter will definitely enjoy these. Another one. So this is Base Blue, not Blue Base. Base Blue Cosmetics, and these retail for $20. And they're really pretty. That's the style that she likes. All right, what else? So then here is the eyeshadow palette right there. And there were 2 shades in each. And this retails for, this is from Y Cosmetics, and it's $16. It's vegan and cruelty-free and paraben-free. That's what it looks like. $16 for 2 shades. I don't know. All right, so it has a nice mirror, and then you get this little thingy. But these are the shades right there. And the zebra one was a black and a white one, and the cheetah one was like a cream and a tan, or a tan and a black, I don't remember. But the blue looked really pretty, so that's why I wanted to try that. So let's see. So this would be good if you just want to put this on your lid and then just kind of smoke it out. And then we have these 2 right here. So this is like a bluish black color. I think it will look pretty together. All right, so I'm definitely excited for that. Like I said, I don't know. The formula feels good, but I don't know if I would pay $16 for just 2 shadows. But I don't know. I have to try it. All right, so the next thing is this lipstick right here. And she always, this is $12. This is from Tender Gloss Lipstick. And one thing I do like about it, she tries to match the colors up every month so everything matches. All right, so that's what it looks like. Packaging's really pretty. And this is like a bronzy color. Let's swatch it. This is like kind of like a lip gloss topper. That's what I would use it for. It's really, really pretty, actually. Oh, it really is pretty. I'm definitely excited to use that for like a lip topper. And the packaging's cute. It's different. Love that. So we have that. So then we have this 2-in-1 shimmering eyeliner from Rude Cosmetics. And I guess you get the blue to go with that. And this retails for $5.50. This is a shimmer liquid liner. And you can use it as a shadow. And that's probably what I would do. And one more thing. Oh, and then you get this lip liner. And this is from Nabi Cosmetics. This retails for $2. This is in the shade Nude. And another thing I like about her is that she uses all indie brands, which I like. Oh, this is gorgeous. Actually, okay, so that's the lip liner. So actually, if you line your lips and put this all over your lips and go on top with that, oh, that will be beautiful. All right, Glitz Glam Box, I see what you're doing. I see ya, I see ya. All right, so let's recap what we got in this subscription. So we got a lip liner. We have, where are you? We have a lipstick. We have an eyeshadow palette. And we have a liquid eyeliner or eyeshadow. And we have eyelashes. So it's kind of like a full face for, for your eyes. You're like, well, it's kind of like a full face, except for, you don't get the foundation and all that. I love Glitz Glam Box so much. This is another one that I probably wouldn't cancel. And you definitely get your $15 worth. Now, with Glitz Glam, do you get like triple the amount of $15? No, you don't. But you definitely get your money's worth with the $15. And I don't mind it. You always get lashes every month. Now, I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does. So I never waste on that, if that makes sense. And the Allure is definitely worth the $15 and more. I don't know which one, if I had to choose one, I don't know this month which one I would pick. I like both of them. So let me know down below, which one did you like better? Did you like the Glitz Glam Box or did you like the Allure? The Glitz Glam Box is basically all makeup. So I don't think I've ever got skincare. So if you want a makeup subscription, that's the way to go. Allure has a variation of all, but you definitely get your money with that too. I don't know. Let me know down below. But that's everything, guys. So please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you want me to continue doing like the battle of the $15 boxes. Let me know. Give me a thumbs down if you're not into it and don't want to see these on my channel anymore, or our channel anymore. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you could be one of the first ones to be notified for all of my future videos. And I have a lot coming, and a special one will be up any day. And that's everything. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for commenting. Do not forget to let me know how your day is going. And I really appreciate you guys so much. I really do. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you. And that's all. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, they were really good boxes this month.